Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best FWB brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The Frankfurt Stock Exchange, or FWB, is the 10th largest stock exchange in the world, according to market capitalization. Around 90% of the FWB's turnover is generated in Germany through 2 trading venues, namely Xetra and Börse Frankfurt. FWB is the largest out of the 7 regional security exchanges in Germany. Traders who are searching for some of the best FWB brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. In this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best FWB brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Saxo Bank. Saxo Bank is a globally regulated multi-asset class broker which offers traders the option to trade on more than 40,000 instruments. Regulated in 15 jurisdictions, including authorization from the UK Financial Conduct Authority, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Financial Services Agency of Japan, and many more. Specializing in Forex, futures, CFDs, commodities, Forex options, listed options, cryptocurrencies, and more. Available platforms are featured on the Saxo Go and Saxo Pro trading platforms, with access to third-party tools and APIs, which are supported as a web-based browser application and on Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Their accounts are available on Demo, Saxo, Corporate, and Professional accounts, with Classic, Platinum, and VIP tiers, which provide 24 hours a day, 5 days a week customer support services, lower prices, access to over 40,000 instruments, and more. Saxo Bank also provides their very own educational center, which delves into various trading topics, such as how-to video tutorials, their featured market call podcasts, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, a selection of written educational content that covers risk management, the psychology of trading, as well as courses in the financial markets for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational content with Saxo Bank. At number 4 on our list is Markets.com. Markets.com was founded in 2008 and is a well-regulated STP broker based in Australia, South Africa, and Cyprus. The broker is regulated by the CYSEC, the ASIC, and the FSCA. This broker offers tight spreads, VIP services, and sophisticated technology for retail traders and institutional investors. However, it is also a suitable option for beginners, specializing in trading through Forex currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, commodity CFDs, bonds, index CFDs, equities, and ETFs. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the Markets.com proprietary trading platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Markets.com offers one standard multi-purpose trading account that can be used to access all the platforms and over 2,200 tradable instruments. However, you can also upgrade to a professional account if you are a high-volume trader or an institutional investor. Their accounts come with negative balance protection, minimal slippage, and tight spreads. Markets.com also provides their very own knowledge center that delves into traders' insights, honest expert opinions, and tips for trading and investing with confidence. You can also download their trading ebook and use X-Ray for professional news feeds, expert views, and market commentary. There are plenty of webinars, news updates, analysis reports, and other resources that you can use to help you learn more about trading. Coming in at number 3, we have Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is an online financial broker that was founded in 1978 and is regulated by multiple financial authorities, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority and the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Interactive Brokers offers sophisticated trading technology and specializes in trading through stocks, options, futures, forex, precious metals, bonds, and more. Platforms are available on Interactive Brokers' client portal web application, their very own trader workstation platform, IBKR mobile application with featured APIs, and are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Interactive Brokers offers a wide variety of account options to suit the needs of any trader, from individual, joint, and family accounts to small business accounts, advisors accounts, and more. Interactive Brokers also features their very own Traders Academy, which covers beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading courses, a Traders Insight panel, a variety of short educational videos, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, and more if you are looking for any additional education with Interactive Brokers. At number 2 on our list is AMarkets. AMarkets is an award-winning social trading broker that was founded in 2007. This broker is regulated by the Financial Services Authority of St. Vincent and the Grenadines and is trusted by more than 1 million clients worldwide. By trading with AMarkets, you will have access to hundreds of tradable instruments, auto chartist, virtual private servers, and a great selection of advanced tools and resources to help you improve your trading skills and strategies. AMarkets offers a wide range of forex pairs, metals, bonds, indices, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. There are more than 40 tradable currency pairs, over 20 popular cryptocurrencies, and hundreds of other instruments that you can add to your portfolio. As an AMarkets client, you can use MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. AMarkets also provides a mobile application and is an excellent choice for copy trading. You can use the AMarkets mobile application to conveniently manage your trading accounts and trade directly from your mobile phone. The mobile application is beginner-friendly and has mostly positive feedback from over 500,000 users. It can be downloaded for free from either Google Play or the Apple App Store. There are 3 types of accounts that you can open with AMarkets, as well as a crypto account. And this broker also offers swap, free accounts, and demo accounts. The fixed and standard accounts are commission-free, and a minimum deposit of $100 will be required to open one of these accounts. The fixed account offers fixed spreads and instant execution, but has the highest spreads. If you are looking for lower spreads, you could try the standard account or the ECN account. The ECN account has the tightest spreads, starting from as low as 0 pips. However, the minimum deposit required to open this account is slightly higher, and at least $200 must be deposited to open this type of account. AMarkets provides updated Forex news, trading ideas, daily analytics, and much more. So we would recommend bookmarking these pages and checking them often to see what's driving the markets. This broker also provides an economic calendar. If you are automating your trading strategies or trading with expert advisors, we would recommend using their virtual private servers to continuously run your algorithms and expert advisors 24 hours a day, 7 days a week from any browser. The benefit of trading on a virtual private server is that there is no server lag, and it runs much faster than an ordinary server. So you'll never have to worry about overloaded servers or issues with backups. As a client, you will also get access to over 100 free trading robots with detailed statistics on their performance. Overall, AMarkets offers many promotions and a great selection of tradable instruments. This broker has won dozens of awards over the years and is an excellent choice for social traders. With AMarkets, you will get discounted trading fees, premium quality research material and analytics, as well as flexible accounts that are suitable for all styles of trading. A minimum deposit of at least $100 is required to open an account with this broker, depending on the account you choose, and you can easily open an account in a few simple steps. The minimum deposits required may seem high depending on the exchange rates, but you can use a free demo account in the meantime if it is your first time trading, which will give you plenty of time to save up some money to open a live account. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best FWB brokers, we have eToro. Since 2007, eToro has evolved into one of the most trusted and popular Nasdaq 100 and stockbrokers. If you are new to trading, eToro offers an incredible trading academy for beginners. However, experienced traders can also use the academy to refine their skills. The educational content provided by eToro is free to use and covers many different topics, including crypto trading, investing, trading, and more. This broker is trusted by more than 25 million people worldwide and is also available to United States citizens. If you would like to diversify your investment portfolio, eToro offers more than 2,700 stocks with zero commission trading guaranteed, as well as a variety of cryptocurrencies, over 300 ETFs, indices, and forex pairs. The eToro trading platform simplifies data exchange between traders and speeds up sharing experiences, and features advanced and revolutionary currency trading software. This enables Forex beginners to easily enter the world of Forex trading via a user-friendly interface and a highly customizable platform. eToro's trading software gives a visual representation of transactions, which helps intuitive trading while it brings together social and promotional features such as a traders community chat and trading contests. Their application is available for Android and iOS devices. eToro has a thriving community that supports all styles of trading, but instead of providing multiple account types, eToro's clients can choose between a retail account and a professional account. Demo accounts and swap-free accounts are also available for beginners and clients of the Muslim faith. In addition to offering 2 types of investment accounts, eToro also offers a money account that can be used to withdraw funds from your eToro investment account, as well as make deposits and manage your assets. The eToro Money debit card is free, and there are no setup costs or monthly fees. eToro's Money application is linked to your eToro Money account, and you can use it to send, store, and receive cash and cryptocurrencies, manage your card, and access exclusive features. The eToro retail account is a flexible all-in-one account that is suitable for copy traders social traders and beginners. This account can be used to trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, forex pairs, indices, and ETFs. The eToro retail account also allows users to stake cryptocurrencies, and it can be used for copy trading. Retail accounts have limited leverage, but retail clients are covered by the Investor Compensation Fund and the Financial Ombudsman Service. They also receive negative balance protection and margin closeout restrictions. The eToro Professional account offers all the same features as the retail account, however offers much higher leverage, and only customers registered under eToro UK and eToro EU can apply to be a professional client. The account verification process is much more complex, and you must apply for a professional account to meet certain criteria before you will be able to trade as a professional client. eToro offers an exceptional trading academy with guides, videos, and articles covering all topics related to trading and investments. The educational resources provided are suitable for beginners, intermediate traders, and experts. There are many detailed how-to guides, and the Trading Academy dashboard makes it easy to find more information about any questions you might have. eToro also provides updated news and analysis, as well as in-depth market research PDFs. eToro is an all-in-one broker that is regulated by top-tier institutions and offers competitive trading conditions. We recommend eToro for all types of traders, especially if you are interested in social trading, copy trading, stock trading, or crypto trading. This broker is one of the few, if not the only Forex broker that currently allows cryptocurrencies to be staked on its platform, and is also a great option for traders who are eager to refine their trading knowledge and improve their skills, because the eToro Academy offers an abundance of educational resources for all levels of experience. And those are some of the top 5 best FWB brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.